What's the interest among ship owners for a fresh listing right now?
I think the interest is increasing. Obviously, it comes along with the fact that banks being more restrictive in lending capital, equity capital markets are more important. It's also a benefit, if you want to raise bonds that you're a listed company, pricing tends to be lower. So, I guess the recent capital raises, we have ourselves, raised basically or helped raise $1.5 billion so far this year in equity for shipping. So I guess it shows that the market is open for shipping companies, and thereby I guess the interest for exploring that opportunity is definitely higher. Yes.
When do you think the next big window will be for shipping IPOs, particularly thinking about a company like Frontline 2012 to go to market?
That's a very good question. I think we're getting there. I think risk appetite is on for shipping, and for good companies with who tick all the right boxes, I think we could see one second half of this year.
Should we expect another wave of Greek IPOs in the shipping space?
I don't know if wave is the right word, but there are some very excellent Greek shipping companies, and who tick all the right boxes in terms of being and wanting to be in capital markets. I think that's kind of the big key, is that the ship owner, the sponsor, really needs to be prepared to spend the time needed to be a public company. And I think if you look back, as you mentioned, we've obviously helped and raised money for Scorpio, but the company itself has done a tremendous work in terms of working together with us, as part of a team, to meeting investors. Both Robert Bugby and Manuela have done, and the whole team at Scorpio have done a phenomenal job in meeting investors and getting the message out, and helping everybody, kind of understand why, we think and they think that they'll be very well positioned going forward. So, I think it's, first of all, it's a job where you need to teach investors about, how the market look like and how we see them, try them to understand what are the, benefits and edges with one company as opposed to another. It's teamwork and it's hard work. So, I would like to I would answer this by saying that, are there Greek companies that fit into these, let's call it, criteria? I think the answer is yes, absolutely.